In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to log in Genshin account on the PlayStation 5. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly create or set up a pre-existing Hoyoverse account to play Genshin Impact on the PlayStation 5. So you can download the game for free from the PlayStation Store. So if you don't have it already, open the PlayStation Store, look for Genshin Impact, and you will find the option to download it. Now, when you open Genshin Impact for the first time on a PlayStation console, you will be met with this message, Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. Make sure that you read through all of this if you care, and as long as you agree to the terms and conditions, you will be able to sign in with an account. Now, if you already have a Hoyoverse account, you will most likely want to keep that progress, so I'm going to teach you how to do that. But even if you don't, you can still create a new one. So after you agree to the terms, you will find the option to log in, and you will see a pop-up similar to this one. Now, in this example here, of course, it is the Xbox version, but don't worry, the logic is the same. So you will find two options: already have an account, log in directly, or create a Hoyoverse account. Choose this one if you have never played Genshin Impact before, and choose the one above if you want to link a pre-existing account that already has progress that you still want to keep. Once you choose the appropriate option, you will be guided through the process. If you choose this first one here, already have an account, log in directly, you will then see a message similar to this one. Again, I'm using the Microsoft version example here, but this will also work for PlayStation Network. They are either going to give you a QR code that you have to scan with your camera app, or you can use your email. So if you have your email from your Hoyoverse account, type it here, send the verification code to that email, and then input it here again. This will link both accounts, and you will be able to play Genshin Impact and keep all of your progress. You can unlink this account once, but after that you will have to contact support, and there is a very small chance that they will do it again. So be absolutely sure of the account that you are linking. Another thing that I want to bring up is that unlike on PC or mobile, you cannot freely switch your region. The region will be determined according to the PlayStation Network account that you have. This is especially relevant if you are creating a new Hoyoverse account. So once you create the account or your link, you are good to go. Like I said before, if you want to switch accounts, what you have to do is choose the option to switch your PlayStation Network user. So create a new PlayStation Network account, and only then can you create a new Genshin Impact account. Once it has been linked once, you will have to use that specific PlayStation Network account to play. I hope I was able to help you on how to log in Genshin account on PlayStation 5. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.